All right, cool. What's up, people? Let's get the day started. That was like 7-ish. Yeah, I'm probably done trading Asia for the foreseeable future. Just not working out for me. Let's just say. But a huge dump overnight, looks like. We finally tagged the lows here. So that's what happened. Who said we're gonna go up? No way. Is that really the 8 a.m. candle we really dumped that hard? Interesting. Can you guys hear me? Am I muted? Am I online? Yes, okay, cool. Just wanted to make sure. I'm good, okay, cool. If someone put a gun to my head and be like, you gotta take a trade right now, then I would short 74, 60, and 25 cents. But kind of spooked because it's before market open. So I'm not gonna do it. AW. This would be my trade. Let's see if it does anything. I think when the market opens, we might just shoot up. That's why I'm not gonna take it. Hey, convict. Let's get this money. All right, the market's about to open. We're gonna see a pop. You want a long 51? I don't know, man. That seems way too close to where we are right now. I can't guarantee that you'll come out alive. All right, here we go. Good luck. Ten seconds left. We do have the hourly low right there, the purple line, so that kind of... All right, market's open. We hit 51. Are we gonna bounce? Nope. Yes. No, yes, no, yes. Oh yeah, we're getting smoked downside. There we go. So I guess my short would have been okay. Do I go short now? No. That's fine. I'm not even ready to trade, I think. I don't even have anything set up. Let's fix that. It's coming back up. That's why I don't enter at open unless it's an A+ setup, yeah. So, I mean, you got it right. You just saw a little bit, too much heat. It's going to hit my short right here. My imaginary short. All right, it hit it to the tick. Oh my God, is it gonna react? Nope, pushing past it. That's all right. Yeah, good thing I didn't take it. Market open is just too weird. Just not a good idea. Stop filled right here. One tick away. One tick away. Yep, stuff filled. There we go. Alright, good thing I didn't take it. Those words haunt me in my dreams, yeah. Either that or order failed. Like out of nowhere. What's up, Dean? You give us your read for the day, my guy. Alright, I'm scrapping that idea. Who would have thought we would get a mega crazy green candle? VIX is at 819. The whole market is still down. SpaceX at 115. Yikes. That is not good. Are we getting trade this hour, next hour? Definitely not this hour because, you know, I had a setup, but I didn't take it. So I'm gonna wait for the next hour. Tesla down 10%. Is that true? Oh, yikes. It is. Tesla is down 10%. Days like this, you wait for first 20 minutes to tell you where we're going. Yeah, I'll definitely wait till 10, that's for sure. But I'll show you guys exactly how to win, okay? Nice, I can go home, won't miss anything. This school Wi-Fi buns. Why are you going back home? It's still school time. Wow, imagine going to school, lol. That is kind of low-key ugly. Tesla being down 10%. I think people are finally catching up to the reality. Nice green candle, yep. We're doing a market open reversal. That's what this is. Hello, Samuel. I don't know if I said this already, but I'll show you guys exactly how to make money and how to win. Alright? So make sure you guys like this stream because I'm giving away this information for free. I don't sell any courses. And you're not gonna find this anywhere else. It's called vibe trading. I coined it myself. What is this? Brent crude crosses $100 after claims that tankers were struck off of Saudi Arabia. What a mess. Smash the like. Obliterate the like button. Police. 82.25. Going short? Okay. The time is nigh. You're done for the day already? Did something happen at market open? Short overnight, locked it up. Oh, so you made money. That's good. This graphic says Lucid Trading paid out $111 million in the last 30 days. Is that even a thing? What? Preparing for the flush back down. Yeah, everybody's thinking we're gonna go back down around here, 82-ish. You got cooked yesterday? Yeah. I mean, I didn't lose that much money, but I feel like I got cooked. I got cooked this week. But I'm ready to win. What about giveaway? Anything new? What do you mean by that? What's up, Daryl? Break even. What was your entry? 82? Let's see. 82.25. Ooh, you almost got stopped out, but you're good. You're good so far. Let's get it. Let's get a flush right here. It's going. It's going. And hit it. So close. It has to hit the 72s here for Jerome, but it's bouncing. Uh-oh. Whoa, what was that? I think we're going lower. Looks good. Oh my God, the suspense. You were like 3 ticks away. Oh my God, it's wicking. 3 ticks away. Yeah, that's not a decent close. It could still come down. Oh, actually, that's not bad. I think it's coming down lower. Yep. Told you. This is not coming up. I can just feel it. Nope, we're not wicking like this. That goes against everything I know about the market here. It's coming down. Don't worry. It's coming down. Patience. Just let the market do its thing. One tick away. Boom. Smashed. Nice. Told you, you just gotta let the market do its thing. But that was a nail biter. You're up 30 points today? You caught 2 shorts earlier? Wow. That's big. That's a lot of money. Okay, we're reversing a little earlier than scheduled. We might bounce off of the lows maybe. Hello, Anthony. Honestly, I was hoping we could turn around and go back up from 51 area for a few days. Well, you got it right, but hopefully this doesn't come back down. Negative 700, got back to plus 35, taking a mental break for 15. Only for 15. If you came back from 700, I feel like that should be done for the day. Morning, Kevin. Call that a major win. Yeah, if you're up 30 points, that's a big win with 20 accounts. Oh, you're talking about Convect? How he came back from 700? Yeah. I would end the day right there. That's a huge comeback, yeah. All right, we're bouncing off of the hourly low here. As you can see in the hourly candle, we're about to hit 10 o'clock, but we're right in the middle. So who knows which way. I mean, it looks like it's a pullback to go lower, right? Doesn't really spell out reversal to me yet. All right, we're going lower. That was just a bounce to go lower. I'm curious to see what's going to happen at 10 a.m. here. See what kind of fair value gap it's going to create. Man, we're so volatile today. We're just making like 10-point moves like it's nothing. Scary. Any trade ideas? Nope. 10 a.m. going up to drop again. So let's mark out the 10 a.m. here. And then we'll look for the first fair value gap that forms. Are you going to take the first fair value gap after 10 a.m.? Nope. I'm just watching, gathering data. Doesn't ICT call the first fair value gap after 10 the silver bullet? I think for him it's like between 950 or 1030, 1010 maybe. He has like a macro timing. I don't remember exactly. But yeah, there is some kind of a macro timing that he talks about. Um Around 10. Silver bullet, there needs to be reasoning behind the fair value gap. Nah, you just do the first one, man. Hey Smooth. You just blindly do it. Alright, I think this is it right here. The first one. But that's kind of a big one, so I don't know. It's probably cooked. I'm going home from school, so you guys don't have fun without me. Why are you going home so early? Like even if you're from East Coast, it's only 10 o'clock. We're gonna range here, then nice dump. Finally a trade after 2 days of zero setups. Nice. I think I'm gonna stop trading Asia session for the foreseeable future, like I said. I'm just like bleeding money during that time. You're in college? Oh, okay. Asia is just a mess. Yeah. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I would short this since we're reacting off of the fair value gap. Right? Let's see how this closes. We might even go deeper into it. That's possible. So I don't know if the idea is to just market sell right there or wait till it comes up here. But the bias is definitely short now. There you go. I guess the key is to market sell. Unless this comes back up. Making me look bad. What's my trade plan? Do nothing until we hit the purple line. Oh, wow. It's turning green. Okay. We might come up a little bit higher then. Oh. Okay, not looking too good. I mean, it was weird because the fair value gap is so big. So it's like you don't know when it's quote unquote reacting off of it. But if we fall back inside, yeah, maybe this is the short signal. Looking for shorts at control point at MAQ 770. Caught two longs entered at 1009. We'll see if this comes back down. I mean, that looks good, but hopefully it falls back down. I mean, if you entered here and then stop loss right there, you would make at least decent. You'd be at, and then target here. That's pretty good. But if we're gonna go lower, we're gonna go way lower. So, bam! Look at that. Interesting. So the idea is that it could get up to the top of the fair value gap, and if you see this kind of a reaction, then yeah, then you're good to go. Stop at the top. I used the fixed range volume profile tool. Got the 9:30 to 10 a.m. volume profile. I waited for price to dip back into lower volume nodes. 10:09 a.m. candle and then bet on the long. Oh, that's way too much, man. For me, at least. Phil then looking at the bottom of orb. Wait, did you say you're going... Oh, you are going short, okay. So I think you're on the right side. Basically, my bet was that price would mean revert back towards the POC. Well, it worked. If you made money with it, it worked. Yeah, looking weak. Looking like we're gonna go lower. Okay, going back up. We're kind of chopping around inside this fair value gap. Up, down, up, down. So far, it looks like it's turning bullish now. So yeah, I mean, this is why I don't trade it, because I haven't gone through all the scenarios. Like point wise, I guess this was a 10-point move. So some people might be good with that. But I'm looking to predict the bigger moves. That 51 area. I mean, we're rejecting off of the top of the fair value gap again. So if we dump right here, that would make me look very good. Boom, look at that. There we go. Here comes the flush. Telling you, this fair value gap, it has something to do with it. It has magical powers. All right, I think now we're in bearish territory, hopefully. I mean, I guess we could still bounce. It wouldn't be weird. But we're slowly, we're making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then flush. But could this still bounce and tag all these highs? Yes. But so far it's working out. All right, why is it going back up? Man, the chop here is quite amazing. And going back down. Jeez. I'm glad this is happening inside the range, not where I'm like looking to take a trade. But alright, finally we're dumping. Never close above the fair value gap. Very interesting. Alright. Chop time, yeah. I think we're out of it though. You're gonna try 51 again? Maybe we'll get a bounce. But I think you have a valid idea, because I feel like if we're chopping around this much, we're gonna bounce to tag all this some point, but you just don't know when that is. May take the low reverse and fall down. Oh, what this is just pain. Just straight up pain. Not doing anything. But it looks like that 51 level worked out for the initial pump up at least. But it might fall back down like it's doing right now. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Wow. Look how many wicks it made. 15 minutes. Yeah, that looks bearish. Right? We're gonna come down and make a big 15-minute candle right here. Here it comes, guys. That's bearish. Fifth time the charm? I don't think so. The 15 minutes looks so bad. But, you know. Just a theory. I think minimum we're gonna get a flush and then it can wick and then go back up, but it's not gonna go up like this. Okay, now it can go up. If it's gonna go up, I think we took out this low. It's not so funny looking anymore. So if it wants to tag all these highs, then it's primed. Getting painful to watch. I wish it would just make up its mind. What? But you know what the market does. It does what it does. Here comes the bounce. I feel like everything I said today is just working out. We kind of developed the first fair value gap idea a little more today. Feel like we're getting a better sense of how this works. If it's gonna go up, it'll go up now. Yeah. Looks like we're defending this low. This could still fall down. You know, it could be just a crazy pullback to go lower. Let's see how the 15-minute candle looks. Yeah, I mean, still looks pretty ugly. Do we ever get a reversal for after candles looking like that? I doubt it. It has to be a little cleaner. I mean, is this similar? I feel like we're at this point right now, right? We still need to see a big red candle and it does some funny stuff before reversing. But I just don't see how we can reverse after the candle's looking like this. But who knows? Just making a guess. Might fall again at 70. Yeah. I'm just saying I wouldn't discount this falling back down one more time to have that, make that crazy red candle. But for me, you know, it's inside the range, so I'm staying out. You're not taking it? Yeah. Seems not worth it. Especially if you're up 30 points today, like, I feel like you have more to lose. But at the same time, you have to realize that when you're winning, you gotta really get those points. Like when things line up for you, you gotta take all the profits you can get before you kind of go into a lull period. What did you miss? Nothing. Yeah, we're falling back down, so that green candle was short-lived here. Somewhat rejected off of the fair value gap again, but you know, we did go up a lot. We barely got a close above it, but still rejected, so I think it still holds. Powerful stuff. No trades for me even today. Yeah. Definitely not here. The whole market is red, it looks like. Except oil. The chip stock, some of them are green. Micron almost back to $1,000. Hello, Raf. Oh my god, we're falling down a lot. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a close outside the range. Close outside the range, and then, yeah, that's step one at least. Ah, man, I'm tired. I am tired today. Yeah, trading Asia is making me stay up late, so that's another reason. I'm like, this is not worth it. Staying up late so I can lose money. What a bad deal. Alright, here comes the fall. Crazy. I think we're gonna fall down a lot because the 15, if we close like this for the 15-minute candle, like, I would say that's a pretty good red. Yeah, this is gonna be the last candle, so this, we could pop back up after we close this 15-minute. We saw the full move right here. Dump, bear flag, and then dump, and then we get bought up towards the close, and then we can shoot back up now. Bro, trust me, max 2 trades a day, max 1 session. All right, about to close here. This 15-minute candle. Maybe we'll swipe the lows and then shoot back up. That is not too crazy to me. Yeah, that looks ugly on the 1 minute. That's for sure. Buyer trying to defend. I'm saying it's not weird for this to bounce. You're gonna take shorts here? Okay, good luck. Good luck. Gula. It's a long for me if we reject 7425. I know it sounds crazy, but I think we're defending this low. Like, to me, this already made the move that I wanted to make. I'm trying to find examples of, like, I was kind of expecting something like this, you know, you wick off and then go back up. But it could also be something like this, right? Like, we're super defending. Like, we saw this red candle move. We're gonna meander around and then shoot back up. Maybe we'll retest one more time, but eventually we're gonna reverse. That's what I'm thinking. But it could be wrong. Well, now it's selling off, so maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. If it stays above this low, it would have been defended 5th time. Again, we could swipe all these lows and then come back up. That's possible too, or we could just go up here, or we could go down. So what I'm trying to say is that anything can happen. Anything can happen and we won't be surprised. So every single possible situation, yeah. I laid out every single possible situation so that I'm never wrong. It'll break the lows and fall, I believe. Yeah. It's looking like everything points to this falling lower. For sure. There it is. Still defending this low by a tick. But it's looking weak. There's the swipe. Are we going to get a bounce? No, doesn't look like it. Yep, we're going lower, guys. Finally. We were bearish after all. Yep, Anthony, you're right, man. You were right all along. Very slow day for me. I'm up 60. Let's see if this comes back up though, because if it's gonna go up right now would be the Q. Nope, still looking weak. Rejected off of the hourly low. I think 11 is gonna be interesting. What's my plan? Wait till 11. It's too late. I only have 6 minutes to get us set up. But I think 11 is gonna be interesting here. Who's ready for 11 a.m. reversal? Long from 425. Whoa, that's way down there. But yeah, I think we're going lower. Here comes move. Well, I mean, we'll see if we get a 11 a.m. reversal here. But I'm not really convinced yet. All right, Jerome, sounds good. But is this a good area for the price to come back up? I think so. At least like a pullback, not like a full-on reversal, but at least some relief. Pop and drop. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty pathetic if this is going to be a bounce. It looks like a bear flag to me. Steve. Hi, Steve. What's up? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Looks bearish to me. You have the feeling of wanting to YOLO? Not a bad idea. And we're going lower. Am I taking a trade? Not yet. Tesla is down 13%. Wow. They're cooking over there. Yeah, I might short this. I don't know. What am I looking for? I'm looking for what I'm looking at right now. Break outside the range. Alright, let's see if it's gonna show me direction right here. So far, leaning short. I'm actually gonna short from the hourly low here. So right at 74.40. You had shorts ES and NQ. Got filled on both. Did you not want to get in on both? You wanted to cancel the other ones once I get filled on one? Oh, this was earlier. So you made money on both, right? It all worked out. You moved your stop loss to break even on Q and tried holding ES. I trailed it and got stopped out in profit. Okay. When something that I don't intend on happens, I just flatten the trade, no matter what. All right, I'm gonna go short 74.40. Going short, right at the hourly low right there. My TP is going to be 35, so basically from here to back down to wherever these highs are. So it's going to be exciting stuff if we ever get filled. Or we might just never come back up. Yep, the market is very bearish. You're longing here? Okay. Good luck, man. I'm on the other side at the 40s. It's like I kind of want the bounce, but I don't want a too big of a bounce, right? Because I want my short to work out. So I want the perfect amount of bounce. All right, here comes some sort of a bounce. But short-lived, selling back off. All right, it's coming back up. All right, I'll see you, Anthony. See my sniper entry at 425. Pretty good. That 1 minute chart looks horrible. No way I could try to trade off of it. That's the fun, man. The uncertainty. The unknowns. Hit the like button. Use code RDT. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Anthony. Words to live by. I'm gonna die of old age waiting for this. We are coming up. Okay, it's coming up like crazy actually. I might get tagged right here with a huge green candle. Let's get a really zoomy in here. Make sure you guys have the front row seat. Wow. Okay, I think it could come up higher. If it hits 425, it could get bad for shorts. Yep, you told me, man. You told me. Why are we rejecting so hard right here? That's kind of an ugly candle. Wow, wow, wow. Well, well, well. Yikes. See ya. Watch out below. Oh my god. RIP longs. Man, I wish I shorted that. That's for sure. Look out below. Watch, now it's gonna reclaim it, tag me in, and then stop me out with the huge green candle. I have foretold what's gonna happen. Tesla almost down 15%. Wow. Dang it, Peloton down 4%. Don't like that. Welcome back, Jerome. So far, the bounce looks pretty weak, so we could see lower. Anybody catch anything? I think Ola made the long call and made some money. I don't know if anybody else is shorting this with me. Yeah, it's going without me. I should do squats every time I get a like or something. Get some exercise. Oh. Oh, all right, 13 squats. Easy. Let's keep the like number low, okay? Down 15K on the year. Yes, I lost $15,000 of my money. Caught shorts earlier. 1W, that's all so far. I'm done for the day. Yep. That sounds good, man. Sometimes you gotta know when to quit, you know? So when? right now. All right, not coming back. I think I'm gonna cancel the order. It's too far away. Like, if it's gonna pop, it's just gonna blow through my stuff, you know? When we're this far, so not worth. I feel like I missed it as soon as this kind of rejected. So I got it almost right. definitely getting a bounce finally. We're going up, down, up, down, up, down. Which way is it? Looks like we're going higher. Going down, okay. 8 micro left, 2 micros for runner. Very nice. We might actually hit my short. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't thrilled about, leaving my short when we're going up like this. But let's see if it pans out. Entry was at 440. TPI at 435. I mean, looks like we're already rejecting. 45 was my stop loss. That's a pretty ugly rejection though. Buy. Everybody buy right now. Yeah, I have an email for that. I don't even know how to use it. What is it? Buy. Okay. What? Buy. Yeah, I took it off. I took it off when we're like down here. Because like if this happens, I wasn't going to catch that. Because like sometimes it works, but majority of the times I feel like it just blows past me. Hey, let's just say you guys are all right, okay? You guys are both right. Buy or sell. All right, I'll see you, Smooth. I'm gonna end the stream pretty soon here. Crazy how this level worked again. Sell. Everybody just sell. Sell. Let's go. Get ready to win, but can't. Alright, I'm gonna head out, guys. I tried to take a trade. Didn't work out. That's alright. I'm gonna take a pause on trading Asia. So if I don't get any trades this afternoon, we'll be back tomorrow morning. Have a good rest of your day. Good luck with your trades. And see you tomorrow.